Welcome to Creative Tien channel. Today I'm going to show you how I organize my yarn by the season. In the past, I organized my yarn by taking out everything, organized by color, by project, or by the weight. But I find it too complicated, very frustrating to work with all the yarns I have. And it's not very efficient and it's hard to stay organized. So in today's new method, I just pick out the colors that inspire me, all the yarns I like, and I plan to use it in the next few months. And since we are at the end of winter now, so most of the color I pick are more spring color. And I put away everything else, including really heavy winter yarns or very dark colors that I'm not going to use in the next few months. So this way I will not be too overwhelmed and I can focus on the projects I try to make in the next few months. Because I have a lot of boxes that's overflowing. Some are in bags, some are by project, some are in different organizers, and I barely use them because a lot of times it's just not inspiring and I don't remember what I have. Here is the pile of yarns I pick out that I'm planning to use in the next few months around spring and summer. And you can see all the colors are lighter, more pastel, and the yarn weight is lighter too. Most of them are like a DK or sports weight. And it does include different materials. I have a mix of acrylic, wool, and cotton. This is the cotton yarns I got last year and never really have time to make a project. So I'm planning to use it sometime this year. And when I look at this pile, you see all the colors are very similar and they can go well with each other. So even if it's from different brand, different color, different yarn weight, I can make it work. I can make a color design or hold two yarns together to make it thicker. And for the thinner yarns, I can do machine knitting. Even for the worsted weight yarn, I can use my bulky knitting machine. And I really like this way because it really lightens up my load. I don't have to worry about donating or get rid. I can still get rid of things I really don't like. But besides what I pick out, everything else go to storage. So it cleans up a lot of space. And I can focus on the current project and the project I plan to do for the spring and the summer. So I'm going to organize it by color now and whatever I think they go well together. Maybe for color work, the similar yarn weight or the content such as cotton or acrylic. There's no fixed way of organizing it. Just whatever I think will make a good project. Here's my final result after I organize it for the season. And you can see the colors are more coordinated. I have a lot of purple and pink, some light blue, light purple, gray, neutrals. Here's a yarn after the organization for the coming season. The first shelf on the top, I have some fuzzy yarns and mostly pink. The second shelf is pink and mostly cotton. Here's my combination of different pink yarns, and most of them have some type of wool, so I can put them together to make a project. And this one is mostly light purple, and I have some cone yarns in pink. And the next one is mostly light brown, different shades of brown. And last one here, I have some socks yarn, so it's lightweighted. And I also have some black color in the sock weight. And for the right side, the first one, I have blues, light blues. Some are more silver gray color. The second shelf is more purple and pink. And then I have blue and green color. Next one, I have purple. And the next, I have white, cream, and some brown color. This is darker brown, and my left side is the lighter brown. And the last one, I have some cone yarns. It's good for machine knitting. And I have some small cone yarns for hand knitting. Maybe I'll do some hand knitting with the combination of this yarn. So that's my quick organization for the coming season. I think organizing yarns are like organizing a closet. You do it by season, so you are not overwhelmed. And for the out of the season yarns, I will just put them in storage until next year. And the whole process only take me about an hour, so it's not a big organization project, and it's doable. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.